everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a different type of video. Well, not different per se, but there's going to be a lot of ASMR involved in this video. So I'm going to be making our African map jumper. So I've got about 4 that I need to ship out today. So I'll just show you the process of how I would get one of them made. Some of the videos might be in portrait format because I'm also trying to make the video for TikTok as well, and I'm using my phone, and some of them would be in the normal YouTube format. So I would go through that. And now I've also got a few orders I need to ship. I have brought them out, I just need to get them packaged. So I'm not, during the course of the video, I'm not going to be saying much. I'll just show you what I'm doing and how I'm trying to get it done. I've got about an hour before the post office closes, so this is very last minute because I didn't really plan to do much today, but I just thought, let's just do it. So there it is. Follow me on the journey. So we just pull over to the post office.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to go and get dressed now, please?
Okay. I'm going to do my cookies later.
If you can't wear the dress, bring it. I'll wear it for you, okay?
I can wear my dress.
Okay, but we need to hurry up, okay, please? Hi guys, so I'm just on my way to the post office now, and they're literally going to like close in 6 minutes time, but it's not too far off, and hopefully I can get there on time to be able to drop these things off. I've got Zoe, can you not repeat after me please? So I've got one express delivery that I'm going to drop off at the post office. I've got one express delivery I'm going to drop off at the post office, and then I've got some international orders and some local orders as well. So hopefully the car in front of me is like driving really, really slow. The lights had better not change. Okay, I've got 5 more minutes before the post office closes. I need to get in there. Okay, so we will need to run into so we've got 4 more minutes before the post office closes. Let's run, please. But yeah, we've just finished with the post office. I'm just heading back home now. And yeah, if you've enjoyed the content of this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, put that in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos in future, you get notified. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye.